Yeah, welcome my snipers. Today I'm going to be explaining how you can use Bekenet Advanced Key Level and Bekenet Trading Journal. As you can see, Bekenet Trading Journal has a lot of functions, you understand, and we keep on improving on the setup that we have. Now we already have what a key level trading before, you understand. Now this key, let me explain the difference before we go into it. Now when you talk about key levels has different zone or what different time frame, you understand. This one that you're seeing here only map out the current key level that the market tend to react with for the week. Why this smash 100, which is the advanced key level, has a memory. It has a memory of what key level that happens in 3 weeks back, where price reacted to those levels in 3 weeks back. And once price reacted to some levels weeks back or months back, the system, sorry, the market tend to repeat the same process. So that's what this advanced key level does. It goes as far back as 3 weeks in time to plot out certain key levels that the market reacted to either buy or sell and look for a setup for them. Why this one that you're seeing here, this top one here, let me open it so that you see, is just a simple key level that only analyze for the week. It's simple. We've created a video on that. You can go through it and see it. You understand? Like this one, it will tell you bullish move, bearish move, buy and sell. Is not that detailed as the advanced one. You can still use this one to smash, but this one only focus on the current key level for the week. Then why this other one that I want to talk about today, you understand, has the ability to go back in time, to go back 3 weeks. You understand? 3 weeks from now. You understand? 3 weeks from the current date that you are. You go and check the key level that price has reacted to. It's just price. Those price that were able to bounce off or break. You understand? They will plot it out and look for a proper direction for you to smash. Then apart from that, we still have other what trading strategy that you can use. But me personally, I love trading key level because key level is 96 point something percent if you understand it, and we've been able to embed that into the system that it can at least mimic a professional way of what analyzing key level. Now note, trading is not 100% or like you win all the time. There are sometimes market will want to misbehave, you hit stop loss and all that, but key level is what the banks use, what the professional use. So we've been able to create a system whereby it can analyze the markets, analyze key level for you without you knowing anything about price action, weak rejection and all that. The system does that, and it does that effectively on what's it called, on the advanced level. You understand? It does it simply. You don't need to do anything. Apart from that, you can still hustle with the normal key level, generate your own and improve your own steps, sniper entry, trend direction and all that. You can still use all these ones to make money in the market, but you can't compare it to what key level. Key level is on another level. Everybody knows that. You understand? Key level is another level. Key levels are the ones that generate the trend direction, that determine where the market is moving to. Once the market move in those directions, then you can be using all these your trend direction, sniper entry to just enter into the market and all that, and so many functions that you can do. Everything is available on the video in my YouTube channel. So but today I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this advanced key level. You understand? You already know how to take this former key level, which is the current key level, but this one go as far back in time. You understand? That is what this first one lack. Now this one has everything that you need to trade as a key level. The only thing you need is just patience. Wait. You understand? Just be patient. But apart from that, I'll show you other techniques that you can use to take advantage of this, and I'll still show you how the system wants you to trade. So first of all, those of you using your normal Android, you can just go to the normal menu. You'll be able to see it. Why those of you using your iPhone and all that, you can just click this Bekenet. It will take you to your own private URL. Let me click it, and you see, you click on this. click here, you see it here, the same futures here. You'll be able to do the same thing. So you are not left out. You understand? You'll be able to do the same thing. So for now, I'm going to go back, navigate back to the Android aspect so that I'll be able to do what I want to do. You understand? So let me navigate back to the Android aspect so that I'll be able to do what I want to do, then show you how it works. It's a short video, it's not going to take your time, so just relax and jot down if you want to jot down. It's very simple, and softwares are very, very simple. So long you know how to read, the only thing you need is just to be patient. That's all. Apply proper risk management. As you can see, what I've been using it to push, like $10, $15, $20. I'm just using all that to check the strength of what this key level can accommodate. But that doesn't mean you're going to be using $10 to trade on all that. No, use proper risk management. Have enough equity in your account so that you'll be able to trade. Even if you hit stop loss, you can actually bounce back. So I'm going to explain everything for you. Now I'm going to click on this now, which is the advanced key level. You understand? I'm going to click on it to open. Once you open, you see something like this. Make sure you're seeing this advanced key level smash. Or next thing you need to do is just click on view. Once you click on view, it will now display all the pairs that have reacted to some certain key level in the past, be it 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. With time, we're going to be adding more weeks to it, but for now, this is what our server can process. You understand? We're not going to overload the system for now. It can only accommodate just 3 weeks because it consumes a lot of processing power. You understand? Consume a lot of processing power. So we're going to stop, and maybe as the time goes by, we'll start adding more weeks. We've already gotten the formula. We've already gotten the software that does that. So we can even load in a year key level to do, but we need a very powerful server to do that. But for now, it's just 3 weeks so that you'll be able to understand it. So now let me continue from where I stopped. So first thing first, you're going to click on this view. Once you click on this view, it will now display everything. As you can see, it's displaying everything. It's displaying everything as you can see now. Now, first thing first, what are the things you need to look out for? You understand? Because there are a lot here. First thing you need to do is for you to click, just use this search button that you're seeing here. Just use this search button that you're seeing here, you just click either buy or sell. That is what we are starting with. From there, I will now explain in details for you. You understand? Or you can type in the pair you are looking for. You understand? You can type in the pair you're looking for to check if there's analysis. So let's start with the buy and sell. Let's say buy first. Let's click buy. It will now take us to any of the pair that is currently buying. You understand? Any of the pair that is currently what buying. Then if you click here again, you type sell, it will take you to any of the pair that is currently what selling. Do you understand? Any of the pair that is currently selling. So let me explain one of them that I'm currently selling now before we go to the buy. Euro USD. Okay, now as you can see, we're having is a very detailed software on key level, very detailed. It gives you this stop loss. It gives you possible take profit that you can use. You understand? It gives you the possible take profit that you can use. Okay, let me look for it again. It gives you the possible take profit that you can use. You understand, to analyze the market. So first thing first, what you need to look out for, there are three ways to confirm if the market is going to your favor. Now you have the current direction. Now this current direction tend to how am I going to put it, is an oscillation. It moves according to the price action of that particular time frame, which is definitely 1 hour. So if 1 hour is going up, it will tell you that it's going up. If it's coming down, it will tell you that it's coming down. Currently now is on a down move. Why this one that you're seeing trend direction is actually telling you that the trend that is currently is now, which is what a sell move, the current trend that it is. First thing first, you look out for this current direction. hold on, let me get this thing. It's jumping. First thing first, you get what? The current direction to know where the direction is facing, which is downward. Secondly, the trend direction. Then thirdly, this is the signal. This tell you that is in what? In a sell zone, you can sell now. And before you can do anything, a sell or buy, there's what they call the volume. You understand? There's what they call the volume. The system has a way of checking volume of each pair, the trend of each pair, calculates it in such a way that when the price is getting to a certain level, it will tell you. As you can see, if you want to sell, always make sure that you're seeing something like this over 100. Make sure it's over 100 because the system, let me take you to the chart before we come back to this. Make sure it's over 100. If you are buying, make sure it's over 0. You understand? Currently now, this is a sell. That is why you're seeing it like over 100. It's not complex. Okay? Don't let it confuse you. This is just the volume to tell you that once price gets to, what's it called? Once it gets to 0, it's coming down to 100. So this this volume has gotten to 0. That's why you're seeing it counting 37. So it's going to count down to 0 to 100. So by the time it get to 100, we have already entered what? Our buy zone already. Maybe by that time it must have gotten to any support level for the week. Then you can start buying before you see this. So whenever you want to sell, once you see a sell zone, make sure that you're seeing what? 100 by this side, not 0. If it's 0, avoid it. You understand? That means the price is on a ranging move. Now let me explain this on the chart for you so that you see it. Let me explain this on the chart. So the software has the ability what? To divide the trend. So it will put here as what? It will put this point that you're seeing here as what? What's it called? At 100. It will put here as 0. Do you understand? So as price is leaving the top here, currently now it's calculating it as 39. So it's going to head down to what? 100. That is what it's trying to tell you. So by the time it get to this 100 or 95, it must have touch a certain what? Key level, which might be support. Here are resistance. So from resistance to a support is always 0 to 100. From support to a resistance is count from 100 to 0. That's just a circle. Forex is all about a circle. So the system has a way of identifying those volumes. That is what it's trying to explain to you here. This place you're seeing. That's what it's trying to explain to you. So the volume from what it has consumed so far from the R1 or R2 or the resistance level from the key level is heading down to what? This 100. It's coming from 0 down to 100. Then if you are buying, it will be coming from 100 to what? To 0. Now let's look for a buy and let me show you how it works too. Let's look for, I'm currently buying USD card. Let's see if we are still buying. You understand? As you can see, it's telling us what? A buy zone. As you can see, from a buy we're having 0. That means this price is going to reduce this volume. I'm not calling it price. It's the volume is going to reduce down to 0. So it's heading top like what I drew for you. So if you are buying, let this 0 always appear here. Where is it again? Let it always appear here. If you are buying, let there be 0. If you are selling, here will be 100 for you to know that you're in the right direction. It's the same thing with this. Like what you're seeing here is the same thing with this. Let's look for the euro card. It's the same thing with this. So now what the system is trying to say is putting here as 100, which is the support level where the price is very simple. Then somewhere here, I'm just assuming, but that is how it is. Somewhere here should be a resistance, which is 0. So this volume need to cover up this place before it will take any decision. Currently now, the volume that it is now is about 70 something. So it's going to be reducing 76, 75, 70 something, 70 before it may not get to zero, but it may get to this zone. It will now give you a different figure here. You understand? There are some, let's look for some. It will tell you out of buy zone and some out of sell zone. That means you can no longer buy and you can no longer sell. But if you want to buy or sell, these are the things you need to look out for. Number one, current direction, which is a buy move. The volume must be close to 100. The volume must be close to 100 because you are buying. You understand? From down below is 100. From top is 0. So if you are buying, if you want to buy, let the volume be close to 100. If you are selling, let the volume be close to 0. You understand? So forex move like this. So it's very simple. Things to look out for if you're buying. This is a buy zone. We're currently buying this market now. As you can see, trend direction is up move. Always wait for you to see this trend direction before you can trade. And what's it called? Current direction is up move. This is a complete circle. If you see the way I posted it on the Telegram channel, if you wait for this is a complete circle. Apart from that, I'll still show you another way whereby you can take advantage of the market, but this is better. Just wait for the whole circle to be completed. You will see what buy signal, up move, what's it called, current direction. That's the only thing you need to do. Just be patient and wait for these three things to align. This. If it's a sell move, you see sell zone, down move, down move. Then you look at this volume as a buy volume. You look at this here, has to be 0 because it's racing to remove this volume, to empty this 75 to 0. If it's a sell, let's look for a sell. You understand? It's very simple. It's the simplest software ever. Let's look for a sell. Euro USD. Let's look for a sell. Now, as you can see, what it's trying to do, what you need to look for if you don't want to stress yourself, what you need to look for: trend direction down, current direction down, signal sell zone. Total volume here has to be 100. So here is 37. So it's racing downwards to complete this volume to be 100. So if you see it like this, it's a win-win. So how do you search for this? You just type either sell zone. You just type sell zone. It will now filter all the trade that is being sold. You understand? As you can see, we only have 3 here, 3 pairs that are being sold now, which is what Euro USD. Then if you want a buy zone or a buy signal, you just type buy. You understand? Buy zone. You'll be able to see it, all the pairs that are currently buying. So it will save you the time to be scrolling all this. Then another thing I want to tell you, this is very simple. I've just showed you what you need to do. Then another thing that you need to wait, like this US 30 now, is currently what? At the top. You understand? That's why you're seeing 3. As you can see, this is very high. As you can see, 3 is showing 3. So this is going to race downwards to, what's it called? It's going to raise down to 100. As you can see, it's currently telling the trend direction is still up. That is why it's raised to 3 volume. It has almost covered, emptied everything because it came from the down, almost emptied everything down to 0. As you can see, this one, the current direction is telling you down, but the signal, there's nothing to write home about. So you just have to discuss this. Don't enter into the market. You understand? You have to discuss it. The only way you can take this kind of a trade, even if you did not get a sell zone here, if this and this align together and you're seeing this at the top, then it's a win-win for you. You understand? Let's look for another one. I've shown you how you can get the basic way to trade first. As you can see, this is gold. You understand? Look at what it's telling us now. Let me explain it to you. Look at what it's telling us. It's telling us currently now, warning, out of buying zone. So you don't need to buy gold now because it's already out of what? A buying what? Zone. You understand? It's already out of what? A buying zone. You don't need to buy anything because it has emptied itself to what? To almost close to 0. You understand? It has emptied itself almost what? close to zero. So you don't need to buy this again because it has emptied itself up to zero. Trend direction is up move. The current direction is what up move. So you don't need to take any trade on this. It's only when price now go and react to what a level, then it's giving you this direction now. Down move before you can do anything. As you can see on gold, we are not doing anything because it's already moving up and it's telling you don't buy again because the volume has almost completed from 15 to 0 is not that much because it's coming from the bottom. Do you understand? So for you not to get yourself worked up, the only thing you need to look out for is a complete circle. But unless you're very good in trading, then you can take advantage of this volume and use it to trade. Do you understand? Apart from that, follow the normal instruction, which is a complete circle. Just click on buy zone. Once you click on buy zone, these are the basic things you need to look out for. You don't need to do anything. If you're seeing up move here, if you're seeing up move here, up move, and you're seeing please wait, meaning that it hasn't come out of that sell zone, meaning that there might still be a drop down, but somebody like me, I can as well take this as a buy, increase my lot size, increase my stop loss. But if you don't want to do that, you don't want to take any risk at all, just wait for it to show you a buy zone. That is a complete circle. You have the buy zone, you have the up move, you have the up move. It takes time. It's patient. It takes time. It can take the whole day to give you this buy zone once you're waiting for a signal. But once it comes, it's a win-win. Then another thing you need to look out for, if you're buying, this volume has to be, the one here has to be greater than this, meaning that this has to be 0, meaning this 78 will empty itself out to become 0. So it's coming from the bottom to the top. So don't get yourself worked up. Only look at what was it called? Up move, buy zone. Then your volume must be closer to 100, which is 78. It's closer to 100 than 0. You understand? Then a sell zone, let's go back again to a sell zone. Sell zone is very simple. Sell zone, all you need to look out for is look at this one. It's giving Euro USD. I didn't even say itself. Euro US Euro JPY is giving us a sell zone. Down move. This is down move. Now look at this now. Look at the volume. It's racing down to 100. You see the sell has 100 at the back. Then this one is less than this. So it's racing down to come and complete this volume to be 100. So it's coming down now. Do you understand? Let's look at Euro JPY. Let's see what's going on there. Let's look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let's see if I have it here. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. I don't have it here. Let me add it up. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let's see. So that you understand it. Euro JPY. As you can see, look at what it's telling us. It's telling us that sell zone. Understand this, it's very simple. It's telling us that this is sell zone, trend direction down, current down. Now the volume start from what? 100. Like I told you, volume start from 100 to 0. As you can see, what we have here, hold on, let me look for it again. Where is it? JPY pair, sell zone. Okay, what we have here is what? 47, meaning that it's coming, since it's selling, it's coming from 0 heading down to 100. Now look at the chart here, like I drew it before. Look at the chart. Here is 0. I'm using here for instance. Here is 0. The bottom is 100. So current volume of this market now is 47. So it's going to raise itself down to get to 100 before it can think of a buy. Do you understand? It's going to rate itself down. Just explaining the concept to you. It's going to empty itself down to 100 to think of what a buy. But currently now, it's coming from 0 level to 47, from 47 to 100. That is what it's trying to explain to you here. You understand? That is what it's trying to explain to you here as what? A sell zone. So the thing you need to look out for, simple, sell zone, which is a signal, sell zone, which is a signal, which is this, the sell zone, which is what? The signal, the downtrend, trend direction, this, current direction, this is this. Then the volume by the side, you will see 100 if it's a sell. If it's a buy, by the side, you see 0. A buy, you see 0 here. A sell, you see 100. You understand? So if you see it mixed up, don't do anything. Make sure everything align. Like you can do a screenshot of this so that you'll be able to use it to compare whenever you want to buy and sell. For a sell, the total volume is over 100. For a buy, the total volume is over 0. For a sell, the total volume is over 100. For a buy, the total volume is over what? 0. That is how it works. Why this give you the current time? So if you log in into this trading journal, you log into this what's it called? This advanced key level. Always make sure that this time align with your time here. If it doesn't align, that means the server is not updating. As you can see, mine is 2:32 currently here. This is 2:30, just little time difference to show you that everything is aligned. So if you're in abroad and all those stuff, you can set your time to African what UMTC time so that you'll be able to compare it with this, so that you'll be current with the system. So whenever this time does not align with what you have, or maybe you're seeing 8 o'clock in your own time and the system is showing you a different time or date. As you can see, this is 31, this is 32. It's showing you a different time and date. Don't take that trade. You can lay a complaint, then we'll check what is wrong with the server. But as you can see now, everything is aligning. Look at it. The time, my own current time here, which is at the top, current time, everything. Date, today is Wednesday. That's why I'm creating the date. It will give you everything updated before you can what? Do anything with the trade. Now, whenever you see warning out of buying zone, don't do anything. It's warning you not to do anything. The only thing you need to look out for is sell zone, downward move, buy zone, upward move. Sell zone is over 100. Total volume is over 100. Buy zone, total volume is over 0. So that is what key level is all about. It's very simple. You don't need to do any analysis. The only thing you need to just wait. You understand? Let's take it again. You have your sell zone here. Let's take it again. You have your sell zone. You have your sell zone. You have your trend direction, which is down move. You have your current direction, which is down move. You understand? Total volume. Your total volume must be over 100. Why a buy zone? A complete system. This is a complete system. Why a buy zone? Buy zone. Look at a buy zone. This is a buy zone. As you can see, where is it again now? This is a buy zone. As you can see, complete system, buy zone, up move, current direction, up move. Then total volume must be over 0. You say it over 0. If you don't see any all these 4 things, don't do anything. Total volume over 0, current direction up, trend direction up move, signal buy zone. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the only thing you need to look out for. Then all these ones you're seeing are just your take profit. So you can choose any of these take profit, plot it on your chart. Once price get to that level, you can exit and look for another opportunity. Key level takes time. So whenever you see waiting, you can see some, it will tell you please wait. You understand? Some it will tell you wait, some it will tell you wait, some it will tell you out of zone, avoid it. So the only thing you need to look out for is what I just told you. As you can see, this is over 0. As you can see, this is news alarm card is over 0. It's telling you to wait, meaning that this is going to drop. But currently now it's still on an up move. We have up move. So this is going to drop. This is another trade I'm going to look at for. It's going to drop. I'll just wait for a signal here that will tell me a sell, down move, down move. I can take advantage because this has already emptied itself to what? 0/0. You understand? Like what I told you. Sell is over 0, buy is over 100. Simple as that. You understand? So that is that for that. So if you have any question you don't understand, you can hit me up and I will explain more. The only thing you need to trade this advanced key level is just patient. Wait for the 4 things to align, then you can smash and be profitable. That is the only thing you need to do. So I'm out. If you have any question, you can ask me and I'll explain more for you. It's as simple as what A, B, C, D. Thank you very much for your time.